Are you wondering if a subscription to FindMyPast is right for you? Well, if you are, then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lisa Lisson with Are You My Cousin? And I strive to take the overwhelm out of your genealogy research. Now, lots of folks are wondering, do I need this database for genealogy research? Do I need that one? Well, and a lot of folks, particularly here in the US, are wondering, does FindMyPast make sense for me? Well, I want to give you some tips on how to make a free trial over at FindMyPast work for you. I want you to get the most you can out of that free trial so you'll know if FindMyPast is right for you. And here's a bonus, guys. You're going to love it. The tips that I'm going to tell you work for any subscription database out there for genealogy. It's just a way to kick the tires and see if it's right for you. Okay, so the first tip that you're wondering about is to start with a research plan. You will make the most out of your time on a 14-day free trial at FindMyPast if you already have a research plan in place for your ancestors before you start your research. So what does that mean? That means you know what you're looking for. You know what your research question is, and you know how to find it. You know the types of records that you perhaps want to look at. You want to maybe look for birth records or marriage records, parish records, all of those types of things that might be pertinent to your genealogy research. When you know and have an idea of what you're looking for when you start your genealogy research on a free trial, then you're going to save time. You're going to be more efficient, and you can pay attention and really evaluate at the end of that free trial, is FindMyPast right for you? Or any of the other databases that you try this with, but have that research plan ready. It's crucial to getting the most out of your research time. At the beginning of this your free trial, you want to decide which of the two levels of FindMyPast subscriptions you want to try out. You can choose between the essential British and Irish records collections or the ultimate British and Irish collection. I personally recommend the ultimate British and Irish collections. And I know you're going to ask this, but Lisa, what's the difference? Well, the difference is with the ultimate package, you get not only the British and Irish collections, but you get access to master classes. You get access to British newspapers, a very important part of your genealogy research, I can assure you. You get access to wills and probates and a lot more. So if you're going to give a free trial and really want to see what it's all about, go for the ultimate. Next tip, mark your calendar for the end of your trial date. I usually will mark it a day or two ahead of time, so that gives me a chance to evaluate how I liked using the database. Did I like what FindMyPast offered? Was it helpful to my research? What did I discover? Did I discover new things that were going to be helpful to me? Did I get my questions answered yet? If not, I still have a couple days to get those questions answered. Now, sometimes you may find it isn't going to be beneficial to you, but in my case, I actually found it was very beneficial to my research. Not only my UK research, obviously, but my US-based research as well. Now, at this point, you are ready to research because you have your research plan, you know what you are looking for, and you can get ready and get started. Head out, explore those records, explore the databases that they have, and start researching, start finding ancestors. And of course, once you find your ancestors, you can start adding them to your tree as well. Now, right before I get started to diving into those records, which I'm so anxious to do, I like to go ahead and start a family tree. Now, each of the major genealogy subscription sites have the opportunity or give you the opportunity to build and create your family tree there. Now, I actually would like to go ahead and do that on each of the databases and even with that free trial. Now, the reason I like to do this, I did this with FindMyPast because when I build that tree, it lets their hint system kind of take over, and they can recommend other records they might find, other trees, other relatives you might find who are also searching those ancestors. So I like to go ahead and use that feature as well while I'm on there and trying it out. And then once I've got that tree started, I'm into the records. I've got my research plan and I'm ready to go. And so will you. You'll be ready to hit the ground running when it comes to finding those ancestors in that FindMyPast records. So you're at the end of your trial. It's time to evaluate. Evaluate how FindMyPast worked for you, how you enjoyed using it for your research. Did it help you? Did you find some unusual records that you might not have thought to look at before? Did you find things helpful? Did you check out the blog? Did you check out their guides? They have excellent guides, by the way. So now at the end of that, once you've finished evaluate, it's time to make your decision. And either way is going to be right for you. It's your decision, definitely. For me personally, I really liked FindMyPast. I find it very helpful, both my US research as well as my UK research. And so I have a subscription. Okay guys, so I will have a link to FindMyPast down in the description below to their free trial so that you can try that out. And I look forward to seeing you here on the YouTube channel or over on the website at Are You My Cousin. Have a great day, guys. Bye.